Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. Are you learning English? I think you are learning English. Are you listening every day? I think you are listening every day. If you are interested to learn English, right? But how do you listen every day? So I would like to talk about how do you listen every day in your house and what is the best way to listen English. Okay, so in this video I'd like to show you another things. Learn with your ears, not with your eyes. All the time we are learning English in our classroom, in our reading room, in our school, in our college with our eyes. It's not our ears. Even your teacher is saying something in front of you in your class in Bengali language, just your own language. Are you in Bangladesh? Your teacher is telling Bengali language. Are you in India? Your teacher is telling Hindi, right? But you are not practicing English language. Exactly, you are focusing just English. You have mentality, you have to learn English. You are trying to learn English, but your teacher is not telling in English. They are translating all the time. They are translating. They are not giving the lecture in English. That is the main problem for us. We can't speak English, we can't learn English. Your teacher gives some homework to complete to your house, to complete to your classroom, but you can't complete. They don't give some lecture to speaking. They just give for writing or reading. Are you reading your books all the time? You are reading your textbook, you are reading the storybook, you are enjoying the newspaper, you are reading the newspaper, just you are reading, right? And beside you are writing, and your teacher have given some homework to complete. Write that paragraph, write that composition, write that story, write that dialogue. Just your teacher has given that, and you are trying to memorizing all the time. Yeah, this is Arif, I'm talking to him, and my friend is Rakib. You are trying to memorizing all the time. There's a word, for example, eat, that means, do you know what is the meaning of that? Eat, that means eat. But all the time you are trying to memorizing this word. Eat, eat, eat. I have to memorize it. You shouldn't do that. Why do you know that? Because you don't need to learn single word. If you learn single word, within some days you will forget. But if you try to memorize the single word, you will forget. So what you have to do? You have to maintain some technique, you have to do some technique, and you have to use that vocabulary, you have to use this word especially. For example, eat, I eat rice, I eat pizza. I drink water, drink, that means I drink water, water, I drink water. I drink beer, beer. Like that you have to make some sentence, you have to make some question. Are you drinking water? Drink. Are you drinking water? Are you eating rice? Are you eating banana? So you have to make so many basic question and basic word. It's very important if you wanna speak English fluently, if you wanna talk in English. So most of the teacher doesn't say how to make sentence easily, because they don't say basic English sentence all the time. They has given advanced word, advanced system. So if you wanna speak English fluently, if you wanna learn English, you have to know some basic English sentence, basic question. So where you will get the question, it's very important. You have to search, you have to watch the movie. Easy standard movie. It's not pronunciation is so hard, it's very difficult, you don't understand, you didn't catch that. So that's not like that. You have to listen all the time, easy listening part. You can watch the cartoon video, easy cartoon video, you can watch the easy movie video. And I will give you a solution. There are so many Islamic movies available in online. You can search that, and the pronunciation is very well on the movie. So you can watch the video on subtitle. You have to select your subtitle on your mobile phone. There is a button here, CC subtitle. So you can just touch that, it will be subtitle will come automatically, effortlessly, so you don't have tension, right? So you can watch that like that, and you have to listen more and more every day. Actually, speaking comes from listening. It depends for listening. How much time do you listen every day? Do you listen every day at least 3 hours per day or 5 hours per day? If you don't listen 1 hour per day, so you can't say. And if you listen at least 1 hour or so every day, 6 months, next 6 months and 12 months, it's possible to speaking for you. Okay. So this was the key. Listening is the very important key for speaking, for learning English. So try to listening every day at least 5 hours. You will be good in English. You will get a good result in English, and you can speak English fluently. Take care. I will see you another day, another video. Bye bye.